Hey, here are the topics of the robotic news of September 2022. A new sensor enables robots to handle textiles. NASA will soon send robotic surgeons into space. And a new logistic robot is able to detect human gestures. Enjoy! Hi, my name is Werner Hampel. If you like our monthly news, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to activate the bell to get notified when we upload new videos. And now let's get started. Robots have difficulty handling textile fabrics because textile can easily deform and take on chaotic shapes. Now, a team of the Robotics Institute of Carnegie Mellon University of Pennsylvania, CMU, has combined a tactile sensor and a machine learning algorithm so that it can sense layers of fabric and pick up individual layers without visual perception. To date, most attempts at fabric manipulation have been based on image sensors, and the interpretation of visual data succeeds to varying degrees. It works for simple movements, but becomes more difficult for complex tasks. The CMU researchers, on the other hand, wanted to try via tactile perception. They use a robotic arm equipped with a mini delta gripper. A reskin sensor developed by the CMU is built into the one finger of the gripper and it measures occurring pressure. Combined with the algorithm, the gripper can be adjusted so that it can grab one or two layers of fabric from a stack. The system reported performs better than approaches that rely on optical aids because the sense of touch is not affected by patterns on the fabric, changes in lighting and so on. The technique is going to be improved before it can use in manufacturing, laundries and household robots, of course, in the future. A surgical robot developed by the University of Nebraska-Lincoln and medical technology company Virtual Incision is expected to be sent into space in 2024 as a part of a NASA mission. The robot will be remotely controlled by surgeons on the Earth, enabling operations in space. The remote-controlled robot is called Myra, and it's compact and weighs less than a kilogram in total. In the first test run, however, Myra will not yet perform surgery on astronauts right away. First, its skills will be tested for a purpose. It will work in a small experimental cabinet, where it will simulate operations by practicing cutting tissue and handling small objects. Myra is said to be just one part of a larger plan by NASA. NASA wants to continue working on the technologies that will enable long-term space travel. A robot can perform surgery in an emergency. It's definitely needed there, of course. What are your thoughts about that? Surgery in space from Earth? Amazing or unsafe? Feel free to write me your opinion in the comments down here below. US company Robust AI has unveiled a warehouse robot that can understand human gestures. Carter, as the robot is called, was developed for users in warehouses. Carter looks a bit like a rolling cart from a hardware store that sits on a motorized pedestal. The robot's face is a touchscreen that is located between the handlebars. It has a camera that it uses to scan the environment, and software allows to recognize nearby employees and interpret their body language. It can understand, for example, if somebody needs help carrying something, so it comes to assist. The company wants to improve collaboration between humans and machines. They think that the robot will help companies become more productive and effective. The robot is intended to make processes easier and counters a shortage of employees in the warehouse. Carter's inventor, Rodney Brooks, who is also the founder of Robust AI, is a pioneer in robotics and has helped develop vacuum cleaner robots, for example. Robots in logistics are becoming increasingly important, so thumbs up for this invention. That was our robot news in September 2022. 2. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to activate the bell to get notified when we upload new videos. And I see you in the next video. Werner.